Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this pop-up changing tent or shower tent. This is going to be great if you're going to be going out to those sporting events, you need to get changed or your kids need to get changed. You don't want to do it in the middle of a parking lot because everyone's looking at you and everything else too. This is convenient, wraps around your shoulder. It's got some nice carrying straps on the back. We're going to undo the zipper and show you this. This is a 47 by 47 inch base by 7 to 8 inches high, and it just springs apart like that. We're going to unfold it and unfold it again. There you have your changing tent. Now that was quick and easy. It does have a base that you can put underneath, as well as a hanging bag for inside. So if you needed to put a base underneath because maybe the ground is gross or something, you do have that option to be able to do that. Another nice feature is if it's going to be really windy out, you do have the provided stakes and ropes that do go through these little loops here at the bottom to help pin that down. Or they do give you the option of these little pockets here on each side that you can use for sandbags or rocks or anything else that you're wanting to put in there to then weight those down. And those are on all four corners there as well, along with an instruction guide. Inside the tent, you do have the ability to roll this up and pin it up using these toggles here on the top. So if you did just want to leave it out all the time, you could do that. Inside though, you've got a bunch of space. I can easily stand up. I am 6'2", and I can stand up here in the top. It does have a zipper for a ventilated top. If you're going to feed a shower through the top of this thing, you could do that. It also has a zipper area in the back so that if you needed to have additional ventilation for that, areas to hang some towels. Another area for ventilation here that you can open up if you wanted to do that. This thing is UPF 50 so that it does help block the sun and everything while you're in there. And when you are ready to go ahead and collapse this thing down after the event, it's as simple as folding it up. Then you're going to go ahead and pinch this top part down like this. And then you're just going to go ahead and rotate these pieces around and get them tucked in here so that it goes back in the circle form. And then just tuck it back in that bag and you're ready to go.